Hey there guys, Abners here, and today we are checking out another electric water gun. Oh yeah! Water magazine, muzzle, this one lights up, rifle scope, this one houses our rechargeable battery, battery charger, muzzle charger, and this is our electric water gun for today. In this package on our electric water gun, we only have one water clip. This is the one. We do not have an alternative water clip, and we're gonna fill this up with water later. And this one is our muzzle. This is the one that lights up every time you fire the gun. This is a rechargeable muzzle, so this part here lights up. You attach this on the front of our electric water gun, and you charge it via Type-C using the included charging cable. So when you're charging, it looks like this. And the light comes off when it is fully charged. So this is the power button. Push this a couple of seconds. There, that means it's on. And you turn it off the same way. Hold this button. That means it's now off. So we're going to attach this to our electric water gun later. This one is sort of like a rifle scope. So you attach this on top of our electric water gun. And this one contains our rechargeable battery. If you can see from the inside, that's our battery there. So under here are our terminals. So this one connects to our electric water gun. So we can supply it with power using our rechargeable battery inside. So to charge this one, you just have to pop this one out, this cap. And then this one will be connected to the battery charger. Okay, and you plug this one to a USB adapter and to your wall socket. So while charging this one, it looks like this. And like our muzzle, the light comes off when it is fully charged. Don't forget to put the cap back on. There. Let's go to our electric water gun. So this is a transparent gray in color. They also have this in blue in terms of the color. And this is our grip. Of course, the trigger. Some light branding here. So this part here recoils when you fire the gun. We're going to show you that later when we connect the battery. And this is where we connect our electric muzzle or light muzzle. So we are going to connect it here. So on top, there's like a makeshift sight on the front. And this is where we attach our rifle scope / battery to power our electric water gun. The water mag release button. So you push that to release the water mag or our clip. So let's assemble our electric water gun. So this is our light up muzzle or torch. We just insert it on the front of our electric water gun, like so. There we go. And don't forget to, of course, turn it on like I showed you earlier. So just hold the button for a couple of seconds. And there we go. And on top, we are going to attach our rifle scope with our batteries. So you can do it like so. From the front, push it to the back. Like the arrow here, just follow the arrows. So again, make sure that the terminals connect. So these are the terminals on the electric water gun. These are the terminals from our battery. So just slide it like so. And make sure that you just push it all the way to the back of this part. So our terminals will connect properly. Okay. So push it all the way to the back. And there we go. So that one should be properly connected right now. So that's how it looks like. We got our light up muzzle or torch on the front. We have our rifle scope with our battery on top. As mentioned earlier, this one recoils, this part, when you click on the trigger. So let's try that out right now. So that's how the end part of our electric water gun recoils. Just make sure that any part of your hand don't get trapped on this part here, because that is really painful. Of course, I'm speaking from experience. Don't try that one. So let's just try this out. So this is the connecting point of our motor magazine. So you just slide it like so. And there we go. So it's locked in there. Again, our mag release button is on the left side. So you just push that to release the water magazine. Okay, so let's go and fill this up with water so we can try out our electric water gun. Let's go. So there you go guys with our quick unboxing and review of this electric water gun. As you have seen on our fighting test, this really is a lot of fun to play with on the poolside, maybe on the beach. You will have tons of fun first before you run out of battery juice. But unfortunately, you only have one water clip or magazine. So this one you have to refill as much as possible. But in terms of power, the water gun has decent power. It throws really good in terms of the water trajectory. Not that accurate, but it will be so hard to be accurate on a water gun anyway. So there you go guys. If you have comments and inquiries about this electric water gun, please put your comments down below. We'll also put a purchase link on our video description if ever you wanted to purchase this one out and check it out for yourself. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, and get notified once we upload another one of our blaster reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect.
Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.